Hey, so it's day 24 and my throat hurts really bad. And I was at work today. I was theater checking, going on the movies, making sure they're running okay and stuff. And my throat just started hurting. I've been coughing. And yeah, it's just like, sorry, I need to get better at holding the camera. Okay, so it's just really like scratchy and like hot. That's what it feels like, my throat. So it doesn't feel very good right now. So, I've been riding my bike for like 15 minutes. I'm gonna do 15 more. So that might be it for today. I don't know. 30 minutes, maybe. I don't know. So, but I see that I'll probably do like 15 more in my room. But if I feel any worse tomorrow, there is a point where like, you have to let your body rest. Because if your throat hurts and you feel sick, then if you keep working, then your body's not going to recuperate the same way that it can. And then I'll just feel worse longer rather than getting better. Anyways, yeah, so that's my little thing for today. My throat hurts, but I'm still out here. So, my head hurts. So, yep, look at the sunset. It's pretty. Anyways, yep. So I'm just riding around my neighborhood today, which I usually don't like to do just because it's kind of like monotonous. But I don't really want to go far, so yep, that's my story for today. It's day 24. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Hopefully, bye. I've never seen a more hideous array of clouds in my life. Look at that. It's disgusting. It makes me sick. Gross. Just kidding. It's super pretty. Okay. Anyways. Yay, it's pretty outside. And may I mention, even though I'm sick and I should be in a horrible mood, I'm so excited because it's all cloudy. Look how cloudy it is. It's so cloudy. Oh, I was zoomed up on my face. I love clouds. So, fall, it's gonna be a good time for me because I love being outside in the fall. Summer, not so much because it's hot. But fall, yes, that is my season. Yeah, because it's pretty and cloudy and nice and cool. Same with winter and spring. But fall, it's nice and pretty. But then spring around here, I seriously need to get better at holding this camera. Spring around here, it's like super pretty because like all this nasty grass gets super green. And I like that because, I'm from Forest Hill, so up there, all the trees are just like green all year round, so you don't get any of this like nasty green stuff. Cows! Moo! Moo cows! Anyways, yeah, so fall is good because it starts to get cooler. Spring is good because there's flowers and pretty stuff. And fall is good because leaves. So I love being outside. If you didn't know I love being outside, I love being outside. I just don't like hot weather. And winter is good because there's Christmas. Oh. Anyways, I'm gonna stop being weird and film some cows. Cows. Let's see if we can get close up.